Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video today we are going to discuss about what is the baking soda and what are the uses of the baking soda and what is the preparation of the baking soda. So let me discuss one by one. So first of all, what is baking soda? Baking soda means nothing but it is NaHCO3. NaHCO3 is called baking soda, which means the chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is called baking soda. And now let us see how the baking soda will prepare. So to the sodium chloride add H2O and CO2 and ammonia. So we get NH4Cl plus NaHCO3, which means to the sodium chloride we are adding water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, and finally we get ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate, nothing but baking soda. Now what is the use of the baking soda? All of you know very well uses. So baking soda is usually used for the faster cooking, right? So for the cooking purpose we are adding this baking soda to the food for faster cooking. So it is one of the best use for the baking soda. And now it is also used as soda acid in the fire extinguishers. Which means it is used as soda acid in fire extinguishers, and also it acts as a mild antiseptic, right? Basically it is a NaHCO3 means nothing but it is a base. Base means it is a non-corrosive base. So it is also one of the ingredient in the antacid, one of the best ingredient. Which means so it neutralizes. Antacid means nothing but what it is doing means it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. So that is one of the main point. So this is one of the use, which means it neutralizes the excess acid which is producing in the stomach and provides relief. So this is one of the best use. So these are the uses of the baking soda. And now let us see one more point here. So the baking soda NaHCO3, right? When we are heating this baking soda, what happens? Generally it is used for the faster cooking. While heating we get Na2CO3, sodium carbonate and H2O plus CO2. And now let me tell one thing. What is baking powder? Is baking soda and baking powder both are same? No, it's not same. Baking powder means it is the mixture of baking soda. Baking soda means NaHCO3 plus acid. Acid means not all types of acids are used here. A mild edible acid like tartaric acid. So here this tartaric acid is a mild edible acid. Okay. So the mixture of baking soda and acid, tartaric acid, by adding these two things, we get the baking powder. So this baking powder is useful in the preparation of cake as well as bread, right? So when baking powder is heated, what happens? So when the baking powder is heated or mixed into the water, the following reaction can take place. Let us see what is the reaction. So NaHCO3 is the baking soda. So while adding water to it, we get CO2 plus H2O plus sodium salt of acid. So here the carbon dioxide is produced. This carbon dioxide produced is during the reaction. It causes the bread or cake rise, making them soft and spongy. Is it okay? So why it is used generally means the baking powder is generally useful in the making of cake or bread, right? This carbon dioxide is mainly useful for the raising of the soft and sponginess of the cake or bread. So this is the main use of the baking powder. So this is all about the baking soda. Let me revise once again. So baking soda means nothing but NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. And how to prepare it? Preparation means nothing but to the sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia are added to the NaCl, and finally we get NH4Cl plus NaHCO3, baking soda. What are the uses of this baking soda? Generally this NaHCO3 is a base, it acts as a base. It is used for the faster cooking. For the cooking purpose, it is added to the food items. And it is also soda acid in the fire extinguishers, which means in the fire extinguishers also it is useful. And it acts as a mild antiseptic sometimes. And also it is one of the ingredient in the preparation of antacids, which means it neutralizes, this NaHCO3 neutralizes the excess acid which is producing in the stomach and provides relief itself. So this is also one of the important use of the baking soda. And here when we are heating to the baking soda, what happen? We get Na2CO3, H2O and carbon dioxide. So here we have to understand one more point. What is the baking powder? Here baking powder or baking soda, both are not same. Baking soda means nothing but NaHCO3. Baking powder means to the baking soda one acid, which means that is nothing but mild edible acid is added here, like tartaric acid. So by adding these two things we get the baking powder. Okay. And why it is useful means this generally baking powder is useful in the preparation of cake or bread. So while heating to the sodium hydrogen carbonate, we get carbon dioxide, H2O and some sodium salt of acid. Here this carbon dioxide is responsible for the cake or bread to make it like soft and spongy. This is also one of the best use. So this is all about baking soda, right? If you have any doubt regarding this baking soda, you can ask me through the comment section. And if you're watching first time to my channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends also. And if you want which type of videos, you can ask through the comment section. We will provide more videos in future. Okay, thank you all of you, and in the next video we will discuss some more points regarding it. Okay.